Do you know there's a natural alternative for coughs in winter that is effective and easy to make at home? A science-based game changer in the world of natural remedies. Before diving into the recipe, let's see what science says about this natural remedy. The beneficial effects of betel leaves and its products have traditionally been exploited to treat diseases like bad breath, cuts, injuries, inflammations, cold cough, indigestion, etc. It contains important chemical constituents valued as a stimulant for its medicinal properties like antifungal, anti-cancer, immunomodulatory, anti-diabetic, gastroprotective, anti-allergic, anti-fertility, wound healing, and anti-dermatophytic. So, instead of reaching for over-the-counter medications packed with artificial ingredients, we can try simple, easy betel leaf cough syrup at home. How to make betel leaf cough syrup. Ingredients. For 5 fresh betel leaves, 1 tablespoon of honey optional, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice or grated fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of black pepper optional. For enhanced expectorant effect, 2 cups of water. Instructions. 1. Prepare the betel leaves. Wash for 5 fresh betel leaves thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. 2. Boil the leaves. In a small pot, add 2 cups of water and the washed betel leaves. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps extract the beneficial compounds from the betel leaves. 3. Add ginger and pepper. While the betel leaves are simmering, add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or ginger juice. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and can soothe the throat. Optionally, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper to enhance the tonic's expectorant properties. 4. Strain the tonic. After simmering, strain the liquid into a cup, discarding the leaves and solids. 5. Sweeten with honey. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the strained liquid. Optional. Honey has soothing properties for the throat and acts as a natural cough suppressant. 6. Serve and drink. Drink the tonic warm. You can consume it 2 to 3 times a day to relieve cough symptoms. Additional tips. Storage. If you want to store some for later, keep it in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours and reheat it before consuming. For a more potent version, you can add a pinch of turmeric, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This betel leaf tonic can help clear mucus, soothe the throat, and relieve coughing symptoms naturally. Thanks for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.